Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. I get a lot of questions from people that how do I remember all the SQL syntaxes at my workplace? Do I have to cram all the select, group by? No, you don't have to. I have an acronym that can help you learn it and remember it anytime you need to. I'm going to be sharing that with you in this video. Stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. There are many syntaxes in SQL that you need to understand, and the question is, how do you know the order? Because there's an order to which you can write the syntaxes. The select needs to come first before the top, before from, before where. So how do you know? How do you remember all the syntaxes? So let's write out all the syntaxes first, and then I can tell you the acronym that I came up with. So we have the select, we have the top, we have from, we have where, we have group by, we have having, we have order by. And they need to come in this order. So when you're writing your SQL query, how do you remember? Okay, the from needs to come before the where, before having, before order by. So the acronym that I came up with is, just look at the first letter of each of the syntaxes. Look at select, it starts with a S. So for this, I came up with she. So we're going to form a word. She. S starts with she starts with S, and select starts with S, so she. Then the next one is toad. So T for toad, T for top. The next one is father. F for father, F for from. The next one is we. W for we, W for where. Next one is got. G for got, G for group by, got. The next one is home. H for home, H for having. And the last one is okay. O for okay, O for order by. O for okay, O for order by. So the acronym is, she told father we got home okay. Think about when you go out with your friend and somebody told your dad that you got home okay. So this is how I am able to remember that. Oh, the first one is select for she. So all you need to remember is, oh, she told father we got home okay. So S for select, T for top, F for father, W for we, G for got, H for home, O for okay. So she told father we got home okay. And remember that not all the time you need to use all the syntaxes. For example, you can write a SQL statement that a SQL query that do not need the top statement. That means you can skip the top. We know select and from are very important. You cannot skip select and you cannot skip from when you're writing a SQL syntax. So let's try it out. Now I have the AdventureWorks database downloaded on my computer. Let's just write a simple select statement. Let's select from this address table right here. This address table, you can just drag it. And let's write a simple select statement and just say select star from. Select star from. And let me execute this. See, we have all this right here. So we can see everything. Let's say my boss is saying, okay, I just need the top 10 of those addresses. For some reason, we just need the top 10. Okay, what do I do? Let me put this in. Okay, so my boss is asking me for the top 10 addresses. So I just need to modify this query and say select top 10 star, meaning that I just need 10. Right now it's giving me about 19,000 rows right here. I only need 10. If I run this, I get just 10. See, that's the select stop. But this one, how do you just want to sort it by the postal code, or do you want to sort it by the address line one? How do you want to sort it? This is where we now introduce order by. Say, you don't just give me the top 10, give me the sort it before you give it back to me by the address line one. So you can say, okay, order by address line one. And if I don't put anything here, it's going to do it ascending. That's the default. But if you want it descending, then you say DESC. If I run this, I'm still going to get 10, but you can see now that the return data is now sorted differently. And that's it. Remember, she told father we got home okay. She told father we got home okay. That's how you can remember all the syntax and the order in which they come. I hope you've learned something. Please share with your friends and family. Remember to like and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.